Morning, afternoon, long time no see. Just thought I'd do a video about van update. It's been a while. Last time I did one it was a empty van, so I thought I'd do a quick show round, see what I've done so far. Bed were made. We were due to go to Scotland. Me, Kevin, Mark and Roger. So, and I got the van. Sold my Scudo to my nephew. And I needed the bed quick. So I had to get the back walls off, sounded and insulated, whatnot, and papered. I had to get the flooring done so I could make the bed and the bench so I could get into bed. I've chosen a high bed because I need the storage underneath it. Some people don't like that. I do. It's my van, basically. Some people won't like it, but it's built for my needs. I don't need a lot of room to sit. I've got space in front of me with a sliding table. I say the bed's high up. I don't sit up in bed, never have done. I've got a bed I lay down. So that's why it's high up. But I still lay up there with my knees up and whatnot, but there's plenty of room. It's a double bed fixed. So there's plenty of space up there. Took the bulkhead out. Rebuilt it with a small door in. Again, that's been papered. Some will have seen on my Facebook page. That came from Germany. The wood stove is in, which is perfect for in here, perfect size, but that comes from Canada. That was about 250 quid plus I think 120 postage, and then got stung 76 quid on customs, so it worked out quite dear. Keeping the weight down, I say it's wallpapered. As you can see, it's wood effect wallpaper, which I think looks really nice. I like it. It's a bit rough up in corners, but that's gonna be covered. You can see all along here, once we've done ceiling, the ceiling's going to be boarded, and then there's going to be a piece of wood at an angle coming down which will be painted. So I'll flip the camera and I'll show you. Right, this is my view when I'm sat down. That's my woodland wallpaper on my bulkhead. Still got to sort out a door for that. You see the roof's not done at all yet. That'll be the last thing I do. But that's my view. That's a table I made. Some silver birch bark covered in resin. That slides, that moves along this rail. That's my wood burner, which I just put a chest of drawers, took drawers out and painted it. But that just keeps wood in. So I've always got a supply of wood, and that gets very warm in here. The fire extinguisher doesn't stay there, by the way. I've got a side window in, opening, and there will be another one in this door when I get around to doing that. And then that board will come off and insulated and again papered. The kitchen area I built and painted. I built that out of the old bulkhead. So you can see that I've got like a bedside table on top. There's DVDs on there, but they're going to be moved. I'm not collecting stickers anymore, I'm collecting pin badges, so they get stuck on into those. Just turn that light round. The back doors last weekend, I took the boards off and sounded and insulated and whatnot. They're going to be papered, and then I'm going to build a shelf across there and a shelf across there to hold DVDs and a few books. So I don't want windows at the back. There'll be light coming in because I've got a 400mm vent to go in the roof. As I said, a double bed in there. That's the wallpaper. It's a nice wood effect. Shelving for cups and glasses. Plenty of workspace with that there, and my table. I can leave it there and work on it. If I eat, I pull it towards me. I've got 2 cookers down there. That's a table, just slots. That's another table. Pots and pans are all down there. Kettle, a lot of food. Other unit at the side, bits of foodie stuff, condiments, herbs and spices and whatnot are up. On the top there, radio, a few cookbooks, small ones, towel, paper towel, kitchen knives, kitchen utensils made with painted old tin cans. Utensils, breadboards behind there. That's them compressed logs. I've got stuck, put that one in the back. I bought 4 bags, big bags, and I've condensed them down into carrier bags, and they're all behind, in between the bulkhead and the back seats. I've got just over 3 of these bags stored behind there. Under bed, so I've got storage, sticker across there. Under the bed, I've got a 3-foot hanging wardrobe. So I've always got plenty of clothes. So there's plenty, it's all shelving underneath the bed, 2-tier. So I've got plenty of room to carry crap. Personalise it with a few signs. I like the tin plate signs. We get another one for each side of that, and that'll do. Lighting, I'm not going to put electric lighting in the roof because there's something else to do. I'm just going to use USB. So I've got that strip light there, which will go into a USB socket. That's running off my hubby at the minute. I've got another one of those, and I've got a small one half the size which will go above my bed. They'll be absolutely adequate. Then I've got 3 remote control spotlights. Yeah, I've got 3 remote control spotlights that I'll stick to the roof, and that's going to be ample. So there'll be another window there, light coming in, the skylight, there'll be light coming in during the day. And night time I tend to light candles anyway. Sit by candlelight and bob that one on above the kitchen. But it's getting there, the floor's done, it's taken up, cleaned. A few holes which you always get, bolt holes and that, all being filled. 10mm underlay, carpet. There's lino at the back, in the back bit, so that can be swept out. And then rugs down, so it's warm in here. I had while we're out. I said I've had over 3 weeks out in it and say it's not finished. But I've lit the log burner a couple of times and it gets warm. It does get warm in here. The bed's comfortable. The seat that I'm sat on, you can sit 2 on, no problem. I keep my toilet underneath. My oven's underneath as well, but that'll go in the back because that's it's not something that you use all the time, but I've got it if I need it. So that'll go in the back, and my fridge will go underneath the seat. Plugged into 12 volt. Shower when the weather's nice. A shower outside. I've got a 12 volt shower. Put a tarp across the back doors, and I hung a tarp across the back of the shelves so water doesn't get into there. But I'm actually waiting for to be in this week a shower curtain that looks like the bulkhead. It's like a woodland shower curtain. I'll just staple that across the back so it hangs down and covers the shelves. So if the doors are open, you look in, you'll see the bulkhead. Excuse me, which is woodland, and the back of the van will be woodland as well. So we'll sort of bring the outside in, always have done. Colours, I've gone for sage green. Green's my favourite colour, it's nice. Keeping it light and lightweight with the wallpaper but wood effect, and it looks really good. I think that's about it. I haven't got much to tell you. Carry plenty of food, I carry plenty of water, over 50 litres of water always on board. Food for at least a couple of months, out of tins and dried. I'll buy fresh as well, I like cooking from fresh. I think that's about it. It's getting there slowly. I think for power, that kitchen unit is that bottom corner I've left. I'll just keep putting rubbish in there because once that comes out, that's where the power will be. I want a couple of 110 deep cycle leisure batteries, solar panel on the roof. I want an inverter, at least 2000 watt inverter. So I want to power some stuff now and again. But I think before that I'll just power stuff with split charge relay. I think that'll be the first step in the power front, and then later I can just add solar panel and MPPT charger. So that's about it. So it's comfortable. There's plenty enough room for me. It's nice being able to stand up, and get dressed and whatnot. I'm not, as you can see, I've not put a sink in. I've got a foldable sink. I always think a sink, it's wasted space. It's wasted worktop space. So that's something I didn't want. If I'm going to wash up, which I don't do that often, as some people will know, but a collapsible bowl filled with water and they can go away again. Cooking at the moment, I use those 2 gas stoves. They'll both fit on there, no problem. I'll put one on there, one on that table. So I've got plenty of room. Got carbon monoxide alarm in case people get worried. That's about it. It's comfortable. We've got plenty of clothes storage, plenty of storage under the bed, above the cab, of course. Kitchen area down here. Things will get sorted once above the cab is done properly. It will release more room underneath the kitchen area. So the DVDs are going to get moved, so that'll release that shelf as well, which, there's about 15-inch square by 7-inch high shelf. It's going to free up, which is a lot of room in a van. But yeah, I've done Scotland in it. I think I had 9 days up in Scotland. I had 1940s weekend, did that. I had another camp as well. Another camp for about a week, I can't remember. I'm sure I had another camp, so I've had just over 3 weeks out in it. I'll say it's not completed, but I'll get there slowly. Next job will be papering the back doors and making 2 shelves. They'll be papered in this wood effect, and the 2 shelves will be painted in sage green. So that's the next on the list. Then it'll be that door, window in, and get that one done, and then it'll be the roof. Oh, put the hole in roof and then get it boarded and whatnot. I'll shut that, somebody mowing. Anyway, I'm starting to waffle, so get this uploaded, go back in. I've just brought some stuff out in here, so I thought I'd do a quick video while I was out here. So I'll see you all later. Next video I'll do on the van will be completed, so might be this year, might be next year, but I'll do a full van tour then. That'll be the next one. See you later. Bye, stay safe.